Royal Caribbean just launched the biggest cruise ship ever built. 7,500 passengers, 30 restaurants, a water park at sea. And cruise agents are already calling it the vacation of a lifetime. But here's what they won't tell you. For seniors 65 and older, this ship can become a nightmare. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly why. I'll cover 7 things you absolutely need to know before you book, because some of these will completely change your decision. Stay with me until point number 5. That one surprises everyone. Legend of the Seas launches in 2026. It is Royal Caribbean's 3rd Icon-class ship, and on paper, it looks incredible. But the cruise industry has one dirty little secret. The bigger the ship, the more it's designed for families with young children, not for you. So let's break this down point by point. Here are the 7 things every senior needs to know before booking Legend of the Seas. Point number 1, the crowd. 7,500 passengers. Let that number sink in. That is not a cruise ship, that is a floating city. At peak hours, around lunch and dinner, the main areas will be completely packed. Elevator wait times of 10 minutes, buffet lines stretching 20 minutes, hallways so crowded you can barely walk through. For anyone with a cane, a walker, or limited mobility, this is a serious problem. Royal Caribbean knows this. That's why they built specific quiet zones for adults. But here's the trap. If you don't know where those zones are, you'll never find them. I'll cover those hidden quiet zones in point number 3. But first, the one thing that shocks most first-time cruisers. Point number 2, the real price. The brochure shows you a number, but that is not what you will pay. Legend of the Seas has 30 dining options, but only a small fraction are included in your fare. The specialty restaurants, the ones that look the most beautiful in the photos, range from $25 to $85 per person per meal. Extra. On a 7-night cruise, a couple can easily spend $400 to $600 in dining upgrades alone, before touching the drinks package, the excursions, or the spa. Here is the golden rule on Icon-class ships. If it looks luxurious in the promotional photo, assume it costs extra. What is actually free? The Windjammer Buffet, the main dining room, breakfast room service. That is it. Write that down. Point number 3, the quiet zones. Most passengers will never find these, but for seniors, these areas are the difference between a good cruise and a great one. Zone number 1, the hideaway. Adults only, suspended infinity pool. No children, no water slides, no noise. Just ocean views and peace. The catch, access starts at around $30 per day per person, and it sells out weeks before departure. Book it the moment you receive your pre-cruise planning email. Do not wait. Zone number 2, the adult solarium. This one is free, but it fills up by 9 a.m. on sea days. The insider trick? Arrive at 8 a.m. Claim your loungers, then go to breakfast. Come back to a reserved spot. That is the move that most passengers never figure out. Point number 4, mobility and accessibility. This is the one most cruise reviewers completely ignore. Legend of the Seas is a 20-deck ship. Getting from your cabin to the pool, the dining room, or the theater can mean walking 10 to 15 minutes each way. For anyone with joint pain, limited mobility, or breathing difficulties, this matters enormously. Here's what you need to know. Request a cabin on decks 6 to 8 mid-ship. That's the closest position to every major venue. Avoid forward or aft cabins if mobility is a concern. The walk is far too long. Accessible cabins must be booked early. They sell out months in advance. And one thing Royal Caribbean will not advertise: Crown's Edge, the attraction at 154 feet above the ocean, requires full physical fitness. The Category 6 water park requires climbing multiple flights of stairs. None of that is designed for you, and that's fine, as long as you know it before you board.
Point number 5, medical facilities. This one surprises everyone, and it should. Legend of the Seas has a full onboard medical center. Doctors and nurses 24 hours a day. They can handle emergencies and basic procedures. But here's the critical warning. Medical treatment on a cruise ship is not covered by US Medicare and not covered by most standard health insurance plans. A single doctor visit, $300 to $500. A helicopter medical evacuation, $50,000 or more. You must purchase cruise-specific travel insurance before you board. Not regular travel insurance, cruise-specific. There is a critical difference. The right policy covers medical evacuations, trip cancellations, and pre-existing condition waivers, but only if you purchase it within 14 days of your initial deposit. After 14 days, that pre-existing condition window closes permanently. Do not miss that deadline. This is not optional. Point number 6, the technology trap. Legend of the Seas runs almost entirely through a smartphone app. Room key, dining reservations, shore excursion bookings, ordering food to a deck chair, all through the app. If you are not comfortable with smartphones, here's what to do. You can request a physical key card at the front desk. You can make all reservations in person at guest services. But here is the trap. The most popular restaurants and the Broadway shows, including Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, get fully booked through the app weeks before the ship even departs. If you wait until you are on board to try to book, you will find nothing available. The rule is, log into the Royal Caribbean app at least 3 weeks before departure. Book your shows and restaurants immediately. That single move separates a frustrating cruise from an exceptional one. Point number 7, the honest answer. I've given you the problems, now I'll give you the truth. Legend of the Seas is an extraordinary ship. The dining is exceptional, the entertainment is world-class. The sweet neighborhood service is among the best at sea, but this ship is primarily built for families with young children who want theme park excitement on the water. So, should a senior book it? Here's the checklist. Book Legend of the Seas if you enjoy vibrant social environments, you are traveling with adult children or grandchildren, you are active, mobile, and enjoy discovery. You book early and secure the quiet zones in advance. Do not book Legend of the Seas if you want a quiet, intimate cruise experience, you have significant mobility limitations, you prefer smaller ships where staff knows your name by day 2. Large crowds drain your energy rather than energize you. In that case, Royal Caribbean's Radiance series ships are a far better fit. Smaller, quieter, still excellent service, and significantly less overwhelming. Before I let you go, 3 secrets that will save you money and stress. Secret number 1, book a balcony cabin. Not for the balcony itself. Balcony guests receive priority boarding. On a ship with 7,500 passengers, boarding 1 hour earlier changes everything. Secret number 2, book during wave season. January through March, that is when Royal Caribbean releases its best promotions. Free drink packages, onboard credit, discounted fares. If you are considering Legend of the Seas, that is the window. Secret number 3, always add 1 night before embarkation. Book a hotel in the departure city the night before boarding day. A single flight delay on embarkation morning can mean missing the ship entirely, and if you miss the ship, Royal Caribbean will not wait for you. 1 extra night in a hotel is the cheapest insurance you can buy. Legend of the Seas launches in 2026, and for the right passenger, it will be unforgettable. But the passengers who have the best experience are always the passengers who prepared. Now you know the crowd problem, the hidden costs, the quiet zones, the accessibility warnings, the medical insurance deadline, the technology booking window, and who this ship is really built for. You are prepared. Leave a comment below and tell me, are you considering Legend of the Seas in 2026, or does this make you look elsewhere? I read every comment, and your answer may become our next video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and watch this video next. It covers the 5 biggest packing mistakes seniors make on Royal Caribbean ships. I'll see you there.